It's not the end of the road for Asari Dokubo. As Nigeria Army don't come outside, they come to say they want fire. Asari Dokubo don't cry, you say me wanna come see you say the Nigeria Army want fire. After he don't help them to go buy IPOBs, and after he don't help them to go capture ESN, say right now then come turn back say they want fire. Remember what the Mazin Nnamdi Kanu said that if you serve the zoo, you will always come back with shame. And now waiting they happen to Asari Dokubo as we dey talk right now. I'm going to play the video for you to see before we come back and continue. Stay tuned, we got a lot of story now what I want to show you for this particular update. So just watch the video. Don't forget say now for news info, pop info news, now they get this update.
When somebody comes up to come and talk, you take away from the statement of that rogue officer general at the defense headquarters, or engaging bandits so that people can be alive and go to their farms, and he called us terrorists. He singled me out and called me terrorist. Nigerians are listening and some are happy because what is happening in these places are not happening to them. These rogue officers must be investigated and eliminated from our military if Nigeria is to move forward. My crime is that I stand by the people and defend them and make them go back to their home, go back to their farm, that they are not kidnapped. I release them. I don't know which sector of the Nigerian army is commanding that made him a major general. But it's sad that if Nigeria have such major generals, that's the problem of Nigeria. Our own is to help. And I will continue to help. What crime did I commit that a helicopter will come and fly over my houses? The houses of my fathers, my grandfathers, where my siblings were. If I had not spoken out, maybe they would have dropped because we were not expecting them. And they would have done something to my siblings and myself and those who are with me. That an unmarked helicopter can fly up and down, Nigerians should ask questions. How many places have this unmarked helicopter gone to kill people? And then a rogue major general, I don't know where he became major general, will stand and use Nigerian platform to say a citizen of this country will be murdered. And it's acceptable in Nigeria. If he's not wearing that uniform, will he have the temerity, audacity to say he will murder me? You are pushing people. You are pushing people to act so that you will see. If that rogue major general is not wearing that uniform, will you say what he has said? No. You are using the uniform of the Nigerian military to target Nigeria. A Nigerian who had done what you cannot do.
Exactly.
Fighting me to a battle. That's not shameful that Nigeria can degenerate to the point that an individual will be invited to a battle. The Nigerian military of over 200,000 is inviting an ordinary man to come to battlefield with them. Why don't you reserve that strength for ISWAT, for Boko Haram, for bandits, for cattle rustler, for ESN, and all other groups that are fighting Nigeria? Why would you take that against somebody who is fighting side by side with your own men? That also shows that the Nigerian Defense Headquarters has lost touch with reality. Lost touch totally with reality. Because the reality on the ground in Imo State will tell them that we are with them in all their joint operations. In Niger, we tell them that we are with them in all their joint operations. In Plateau. So where did they get this thing from? A terrorist calling another person a terrorist. The government should investigate that rogue officer. It's a rogue officer. He ought not to be in the Nigerian army. That I opened the way for Nigerians to travel between Abuja and Kaduna freely without being afraid of being kidnapped. And this rogue officer have the temerity, because he's wearing uniform, to come and talk rot about me. Like I said, did I invite, what did I do for the helicopter to come and fly over my roof? If you are inside my house, the whole house was shaking. Plantain trees were falling here. What did I do? There's a military formation in this place. Have I ever had conflict or anything with the military formation here? In my own community, they are there. Calls me a terrorist. He will take me out.
Yes, so now so you be and I don't hear as this man what they call Asari Dokubo don't tell us. You don't see Asari Dokubo now waiting you do person now they go do you. They tell you say these people believe that we are one. No matter the name they call you, Sasat, not Sat, Minisat, F-Sat. They believe that as long as you are Southeast, they believe you are an Igbo man. So you cannot go and say your brother and think that they are going to give you a cup. No, they will turn around and buy you because you are the next person that will challenge them. Yes, because you have known their weakness. So that's so it be. I want to bring another video where they similar to this one because this one now don't they do. Inti say that he's fighting his own brothers. After that, they will give a cup. I know say make una no fight people where they kidnap people, no people where they use this whole struggle, they do bad. If you see them, buy them. But don't go and intimidate innocent youth because they give you gun. So watch the video.
Ọrụ na ilu na ya nwabutere mgbọ niile afọ a na-agba na afọ ebe okpesasị oge ekpopụsị gị ewe dịchọ na ndị arapụrụ gị unu ọ ga-adịbụrụ mmadụ eburu ebe nke a na-akpọ nwa fela nwanne unu maka na onye o jizi ọpọtụniti a na-ezu ori ite lot of them akpọrọ afọ ndị obodo unu mebie na-atụ bọmbụ ọ dị mma mmadụ onye nwụgo n'ahịa bụ ndị niile ozu akwa ebe a ruo 1 million so anyị na-ekwu ogwu ọ ka nkwụgbo unu n'ogwu anyị na-ekwu ogwu unu ụgwọ ha sị na bụ unu pụọ enwere gakwa nwuhe kama ha bụ onye agha ha bụ onye ata ha megbu ya echi ha bịsị nke eme nke a mee ngozi sị ha nye ha appointment come and tell us ndụ ha agbago by force onweghị ndụ a ga-eme ndụ niile agbara unu bụ by force nwere onye ọfụ gbagoro ndụ mgba n'ụwa agbago gba ma nke imi ozu egwu ozu otu agwuo ị na-agụrụ na-ata na-awụ ya ọjị dị arụsị dị iche iche mana nke a kpọrọ gị je gba gị by force ewe mebi ebe unu onye ejekwa ụmụnne ya nọchi ije nwaanyị na n'ihi nkịta sị ya bịa n'ụlọ na-ekwu okwu si ka akwụsị niile nke ori ime obodo a biko si kpaa ya aka ama m na unu ga-akpanwu ya aka ndị a na-abịa mere atụ ngwa ha bịazi ma a sịgoro gị na ha ga-abịa ime ya kweta ha bịa gwa anyị ndụ niile agba nwere isi onwe ha oge so from today unu ga na-apụtazi ọ bụrụ na nwa ọrụ anyị arụ dị na-apụta nwe ha nwe ebe anyị na-eri ya ọkọsọ ọkwanụ na-etiri aka n'ọgụ a nnu onye mmadụ na-agwa Ọnịcha agụ ara agụ nna m gbanwe ya Abia steeti abụọ m elu Igbo ana enwe fres ebe a mee njisi ọnwụ bịa ndị ọga kwụsịrị dị ime ọrụ ahụ from Ọka a sị na ya egbu m ebe amagakwana ebe a na-akpọ VG headquarter na Ọka agụ Ọka a sị na aka ha dị ya na na-ejele Igbo m kandụl anyị bịa ebe ha gbaa ebe mbụ na abọla Igbo ebe na mmiri ebe enyi merụsịa ndị Ọkịja m na ha so arụ ero 420,000 ya wụrụ 300,000 ọrụ ha si ya na ha gbari atena ma agbago ọsọ and anyị nọkwa sinsi ya ma mgbe anyị kampụ n'ihi ala nta gọọmenti anyị nọ na amij ihe na anyị na-eme ụta jipụta lida na anọgolo ilu na adịkwa hapụ n'unu ndị mmadụ ka nọ ebe ahụ ndị niile so onwe ndị bọrọ aka ya dị na ewepụ aka na ya onye bụ na aka ya dị na ewepụrụ aka na ya enwe problem ma agwa onye ahụ ga-eme ya ọsọ na amarụsị onye anyị bụbu ebe a na anyị ji nwa nwa na-akpọchisi arụsị dị n'ala ilu ka ha ncha bido gwa ọrụ ọ bụrụ nwe ebe
Yeah, my people, you still there for Pop Info News. Please share this video so that people go know wetin dey go on as it dey be. We will quickly capture you up for the next update.